To share audio from your DAW to your collaborators on Muse, you'll need to download at least one third-party audio cable to take advantage of Muse's features. We recommend the B cable, which is free on their website. Add the Muse plugin to the master track of your DAW and check that the plugin status is good. Once you do this, Muse should automatically check the B cable under Shared DAW Audio in your Muse audio settings. If not, you can select it manually. Remember, you do not need to change the output of your DAW when sharing audio to Muse. Once your collaborators can hear audio from your DAW, they can adjust the volume of what they're hearing next to the B cable in Muse. To share audio straight from your computer to your collaborators during your session, such as sharing your Spotify or YouTube playback, select a device under Share Computer Audio. Please note that if you're already using VB cable to share DAW audio, you will need to use another device such as voice meter output to share computer audio as well. Loopback should be enabled if you want to hear the audio yourself. Then, change your computer's audio output to the same device you selected. Clicking Change It For Me in the banner can do this for you automatically. Again, once your collaborator can hear audio from your computer, they can adjust the volume of what they're hearing in the slider next to the device in Muse. Please note that when sharing high-quality audio in a Muse session without headphones, your signal can be doubled. Once through the actual audio device you're sharing, and again when the audio passes from your speakers through the microphone. This is because echo cancellation is disabled with high-quality audio. To prevent this, you can wear headphones, mute your microphone, or enable push-to-talk on your microphone.